So how do you find what you're unsure about? The first thing you do is you identify that there's something that's unsure. There's something that needs clarity to you. So you ask the question, and who do you ask the question of? You ask the question of you. You ask the question inside of yourself, what's true? What's truth here? Right? Where do I belong? What resonates as truth to me as I connect to my God, the source? And by the way, when you start to see other people putting their love and light on the table, they start sharing their 5D new human perception of love and light, and that's on the table, and we're listening to it, and we're open to it all. We're listening to it all. We're resonating with it all because we're resonating in the frequency of 5D new human, which is the true frequency. And right now, the truth is coming out everywhere, and boom, boom, the 5D new humans, we're shining our light on the truth. We're shining our light on the problems in the earth. We're shining our light on all the crooked crony capitalism. And right now, we realize that the earth is being remodeled. Right now, we're in the demolition phase. Right now, there's all kinds of crazy stuff going on, and it's going to continue to go on. It's going to continue to go crazy, right? As long as we're trying to save the world, as long as we're trying to make the world meet our desires. I need to get everyone to agree with me. We've got to get this Donald Trump guy out of office. No, we got to get Trump to be promoted all over the world. We've got to get Trump to rule the earth. No, all of that is narratives. All of those are frequencies. And by the way, if that's your love and light frequency, share that. Share that out of the purity of your own love and light observations. And we can all look and listen and hear and resonate. And the more we connect with one another and we start mirror looping this love and light frequency, boom, that's the new earth. That's the new earth. And the 5D new human, John Weber, 5D new human, I reside in that new earth now because boom, it's a perception. I've got that 5D perception. I'm sharing that 5D perception on this podcast. And if what I'm sharing is making sense and you've got your own 5D new human love and light perception to share, I want to hear that too. We're building out a new network. We're going to call it a social media network, but it's going to be built with 5D. We're going to be talking about 5D love and light. We're going to be talking about everything. We're going to be shining our light on everything. Everything is yes. Everything is whole. Everything belongs. There's nothing in our universe that doesn't belong. It belongs because it's here. We are the love and light. We are the source. God is the source of everything. And if something exists, it's part of the everything. And it belongs. You belong, no matter what your beliefs are, no matter what your thoughts are, no matter what your observations are, you belong too. And so share that. And collectively, when we all start sharing our love and light, the rest of humanity who have not quite tapped into this 5D in-depth stuff like we do, because we're in this, call it the spiritual mode, right? We're the ones that are constantly thinking and rethinking. We're the ones who have been the seekers and the explorers. We're the ones who have been very religious. We're the ones that are trying to fix the world. We want to help everybody. We're driven by this amazing frequency of love and light, and we want to share our love and light with everybody. Well, that's what we're doing now. That's the 5D new human frequency. I'm a 5D new human. That frequency's in your chest. Just resonate with it. Feel it. Echo it. I'm going to share one of my little ad videos. Have a listen, and we'll come back and wrap up this. You know, in 5D perception, we come to realize that we have access to knowing everything that can be known. All we have to do is look and listen. Listen to what everybody has to share on every single subject. Just hear it all. You don't have to debate any of it. You don't have to argue any of it. You just have to be open to it. That's 5D perception. It's as simple as that. We're opening our hearts. We're leading from our hearts. We open our heart. We open our mind. We open all of our senses. We open all of our intelligent comprehension. We become coherent in learning and listening for everything. You don't have to explain anything. Just listen and resonate with it. Just resonate to what feels right. Resonate to what feels right. And what doesn't feel right, you don't have to argue it. Just turn away from it. This is how we're manifesting the 5D new earth. This is the 5D New Human Perception. Are you at 5D yet? You are invited and welcomed here to join us anytime. Spiritual Quest.